New report says OxygenOS and Realme UI are on the verge of discontinuation, and future OnePlus and Realme phones will run ColorOS instead. According to a report from SmartBricks, OPPO is combining OnePlus and Realme more closely to the main brand. As a part of it, they will have only one OS now known as ColorOS. The reports claim that OnePlus will focus mainly on India and China. Realme will be stepping back from the Chinese market to focus on markets outside China. In India, OnePlus will be merged its repair center and service center with OPPO's. OxygenOS is the software OnePlus has used in its phone since 2014. Realme UI is the software Realme has used since it split from OPPO as its own brand in 2018. ColorOS is the OPPO's own software used on OPPO phones worldwide. In 2021, OnePlus and OPPO agreed to share the same software code base, combining OxygenOS with ColorOS. It was said it will only share the code base. Since then, ColorOS has taken more of the development work, though OnePlus phone still has the OxygenOS branding. Basically, it's just ColorOS. Now that will change too for Realme too. Realme UI was already very close to ColorOS, so Realme users may not notice much of a difference. OnePlus users who are used to OxygenOS lighter, simpler interface will see more changes.